The vegan movement, a subset of dietary choices emphasizing plant-based eating to reduce environmental impact and promote animal welfare, emerged in the late 1940s when nutritionist Donald Watson founded the Vegan Society in England. This organization sought to create a community that lived by strict vegetarian principles without any consumption or use of dairy products, eggs, or honey, advocating for ethical treatment of all animals while emphasizing health benefits from plant-based diets. Over time, the concept expanded globally, with various vegan organizations adopting similar guidelines yet differing slightly on specific details. In 1980, the United Nations designated World Vegan Day to raise awareness and support this lifestyle choice, highlighting its growing impact in nutrition, environment, and social practices. By the early 2000s, global vegans had reached over 3 million people across diverse cultural backgrounds, contributing significantly to reducing meat consumption worldwide. Studies suggest that vegan diets tend to have a lower carbon footprint compared to omnivorous alternatives due to reduced land use for livestock production, which can be up to 50% less than that required by cattle and pigs alone. Moreover, the global demand for animal products accounts for approximately 1/3 of greenhouse gas emissions globally, making veganism an increasingly important strategy in addressing climate change. Economically, the market for plant-based foods surged rapidly during this period, with sales growth outpacing overall food retail markets. In 2018 alone, the worldwide plant-based food sector reached $37 billion, indicating a compound annual growth rate, (CAGR) of about 9% since 2014. This expansion has created numerous job opportunities in agriculture, manufacturing, and sales across various regions. Socially, veganism's popularity spread beyond dietary choices to encompass broader societal changes, including reduced animal cruelty advocacy, enhanced health consciousness, and environmental stewardship efforts. Despite these positive impacts, challenges remain regarding cultural acceptance and lack of diverse food options in some parts of the world. Continued support from both governmental institutions and private companies is necessary for future growth and success of vegan initiatives. By 2050, projections suggest that global demand for plant-based proteins will grow by over 73%, driven primarily by sustainability concerns, health awareness, and demographic shifts toward urbanization. Concurrently, advancements in artificial intelligence could enhance agricultural efficiency through precision farming techniques, thereby optimizing resource usage while minimizing environmental damage. Further efforts towards education on the benefits of veganism, combined with increased availability of suitable alternatives, may ensure a sustainable future for this growing movement.